Definitely, if a car is stock, I'm writing him a ticket.
No stock cars allowed, my man.
A girl that could do an oil change. That's a free maintenance.
Sensational.
I guess being a road hazard for being a stance car.
Let's go. Who am I here with today?
Kenneth,
What is the best way for a girl to rizz up a car guy?
lie about what car they got.
How dare you?
The girl should lie about what car they got to you?
Yeah.
Like say they have like a nicer car.
Or I know how to drive manual. That's one of them.
Who am I here with today?
Zach.
If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
Probably speeding.
A lot of speeding tickets?
Speeding, yeah. A lot of it. Yep.
You ain't all those zigzaggers.
No, it's alright if you zigzag. If you're not, as long as I'm the fastest.
Oh, okay.
The faster.
The only car's faster than you.
Yeah, it's faster than
Yeah.
me. You're getting a ticket.
So if they're driving slower than you but still speeding, they're okay.
No, okay.
All right, I got you. If traffic laws vanished overnight and you had a beater, what craziness would ensue on the road?
I'd try to probably pull a reverse entry, kind of how like they did inside of the Fast and Furious movie.
Okay. Yeah.
Stuck the middle finger out.
Oh, okay, yeah, when they're hitting the road. Yeah, Paul Walker and Roman were racing.
Exactly.
Okay, all right. Right in the middle of the parkway or something, right? Who am I here with today?
Brandon.
If traffic laws vanished overnight and you had a beater car, what craziness would ensue on the road?
Probably do everything I can to not crash it while be as sideways as possible.
So drift around, but keep it in one piece and keep going.
Yeah, but if not, then
And hey, shit happens.
shit happens. There's no loss.
Who am I here with today?
Chris,
Ryan.
If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
definitely, if a car is stock, I'm writing him a ticket.
No stock cars allowed, my man.
The car's ugly. I'm writing them a ticket.
Ugly and I like your guy's style. Who is hotter, a girl who could drive stick or a girl who could do an oil change?
A girl that could do an oil change. That's a free maintenance.
Sensational.
Practical.
Yeah.
Okay, making her, make use of herself.
Yeah.
Okay, all
It's
right.
like one less expenses.
Free up a little time, you can
Yeah.
make money somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business. What's your getaway car?
Am I moving to protect myself or to move fast? That's the
That's what
question.
you gotta figure that like what angle you want to work.
Probably an Evo.
Evo?
Yeah, probably like an Evo 9.
Okay. Evo
Evo
9,
8.
all-wheel drive.
Exactly.
Okay. All right.
It has the space in the back, but if
For- yeah,
anything
for
would
the
have
duffel
happened,
bags of cash.
Exactly. But if I had to escape real quick or hit a corner, cops aren't all-wheel drive.
That is true. They're
So I could get
they're
away pretty
fishtail and they're hitting telephone
Exactly.
poles. Who is hotter, a girl who could drive stick or a girl who could change oil?
A girl could drive stick.
A girl could drive stick.
She knows
Why?
what she doing. She knows what she doing.
She knows how to handle herself.
Yep.
She knows how to handle that stick.
Oh, say less.
Is money better spent on quality piston rings or on an engagement ring?
Pistols.
Piston rings?
Yep.
I'm with you, man. I'm with you. If your car could talk, what would it say?
Please give me an oil change.
That was easy.
How far over are you?
Not by much, only like 1,000.
I thought you were saying only like 8,000. If your car could talk, what would it say?
Ka-chow.
What's that?
Ka-chow.
You two can look like me. Ka-chow.
Ka-chow! Like
Lightning McQueen.
Yeah, okay, all right. Ka-chow. If you could make one new law on the road, what would it be?
If you're slow on a fast lane, that needs a ticket.
Fast lane
Yep.
campers.
Yep. I hate them.
Is money better spent on quality piston rings or on an engagement ring?
Piston rings.
Engagement ring. You need that special
well,
someone.
one
You
of
need
these-
that special someone.
Okay, you want the support system? You want the fast car?
Actually, no. Engagement ring.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap!
Oh no, we're switching it up. Let's switch the room.
I didn't think about it.
Okay. Would you? You want to do an interview? Okay, all right. Just 1 second. If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
I guess being a road hazard for being a stance car.
Let's go. Stance car tickets.
Yeah.
2 slams.
Too slam, too low. Yeah, I know that your tires are already bald.
Oh, absolutely. Even if they're brand new.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you have a mile on them, we're done.
Just because the sticker's still on them, it don't mean anything.
Bolt-on aftermarket headlights are misaligned factory low beams that are pointed in different directions.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Aftermarket headlights.
Aftermarket?
I'll probably go aftermarket.
Oh my.
Aftermarket?
Yeah.
They're perfectly shaped and perfectly placed. Gotcha. What mental illness do car guys suffer from?
That's a difficult one. It's like, which one do I pick?
A whole plethora. Pick a couple then.
So schizophrenia or depression?
Jesus Christ.
you went for the fences for that one. Both full on schizophrenia.
I think that's right on the point.
What is the best way for a girl to rizz up a car guy?
If you appreciate any car, that's all it needs.
Okay, so a little bit of appreciation.
Yeah, appreciate the car, that's all. Even if like you allow a person to do like what they want in their car, that's all.
Okay, so like a little compliment, hey, nice
Yeah,
car, buddy.
yeah.
And like, I also like support you. Hey, you want to put some wheels in your car? Oh, those look cool.
Yeah, here's some money.
I'm gonna come. Oh.
Get money. I like that. Money always talks.
Here's some finance for your car.
There we go. If you could make one new law on the road, what would it be?
Like I said, keep stock cars off the road. If the car is stock, keep it off the road.
Illegal.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. No, of course not.
You can't register, you can't run.
Probably like a higher speed limit.